Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Tammy Live. I'm Tammy, and today, guess what guys? Today we are going to be making appetizers. Yes, quick and easy, bang bang shrimp. So without further ado guys, let's introduce these ingredients and get started. First things first guys, to this cornstarch right here, what we're going to do is we're going to add some breadcrumbs. Yeah, breadcrumbs and cornstarch. What a mix. Yes, but let me tell you something. The cornstarch is going to make the shrimp, once you fry it up, nice and light, and it's going to have that crispy coating, not only because we're using cornstarch but also with the help of the breadcrumbs as well. So it's going to be the perfect combo, trust me. Anyway guys, what we're going to do is we're going to go in, we're going to add some paprika. How much paprika, how much seasonings should I add? Guess what? Add as much as you think you need to add, because all we're doing at this point is just seasoning the flour. I'm going in with the garlic powder. That should be good. And I'm going to go in with the onion powder. And you see the amount that I'm using, right? That's what you're going to do. And we're going to go in and combine the seasoning with the flour, so that way we have a nice seasoned flour in our flour. Once we start to dredge our shrimp in this cornstarch mixture, it is going to be what? It's going to be better than bang bang. It's going to be popping. Give it a good mix. Alrighty. Got some breadcrumbs on the side that just needs to be incorporated, just like that, and we're good to go. Moving right along, our eggs. Next up, what we're gonna do is we are gonna add some milk to these eggs. Now here's the thing, you can also add buttermilk or whatever you have. Basically what we're creating right here is just an egg wash. So yes, you got regular milk, add the regular milk. You have a little evaporated milk, add some water to the evaporated milk and make it happen. All right, phase 2 is done. For our third phase, guys, this is about 3 phases, all right? We have our mayo right here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some sweet chili to this mayo. And the sweet chili is what's gonna make our sauce banging. I'm telling you, this is a contributing factor when it comes to the bang bang shrimp right here. Woo! Absolutely good stuff. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of rice vinegar, not much, just that, about maybe half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of rice vinegar. Now this is chili sauce. If you don't have chili garlic sauce, of course you can always go in there with sriracha. And I know most of you have sriracha somewhere in the refrigerator on that side compartment, trust me. I'm gonna go in just like that, a couple dabs, not much because this stuff is spicy. And I'm gonna add a little honey because I want it to be nice and sticky. I want it to stick to my fingers when I'm eating it, just like that. And we're gonna mix everything together. Check whether or not if you need to add some more honey. Make it and customize it to your preference. Our bang bang sauce is banging, so we are done. All right, we're gonna lay this sauce to the side and move on to the next stage. Alrighty, now that everything is prepped and ready to go, we are gonna take our jumbo-sized shrimp, place it in an egg wash just like this, toss it around, make sure it's coated. Take another one, do the same thing. Alrighty, and we're gonna take it and dip it in the flour. I keep saying flour, but we're gonna take it and dredge it in the cornstarch. I am so accustomed to working with flour, so everything for me is like flour. This is cornstarch, and what I like about the cornstarch mixture is much lighter. It's gonna be so light but yet crispy. It's gonna be delicious. Anyway, I'm gonna take the second shrimp, dredge it in the cornstarch mixture as well. All right, as you can see, I went ahead and I dredged these bad boys. They're coated and everything, and they're ready to go. We are gonna fry them up. Now, here's the thing. We are gonna test to see whether or not if this oil is hot, and we're gonna do it the old school way. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little pinch of the cornstarch and breadcrumbs, and we are ready to go. See those little bubbles right there? That's your perfect indication to know that it's time to deep fry these babies, just like that. We're not going to overcrowd the pan, of course, because we want everything to cook nice and crispy, and we don't want to lower that heat in the pan. We want to keep it nice and hot. And we're going to fry it in 2 batches. I'm going to place these shrimp on a cooling rack. The reason why I'm placing it on the cooling rack is because I don't want to literally take it out the hot oil and put it inside, or should I say drench it with the sauce just yet. I want to allow it to cool off just a little bit first, not until it's cold or nothing, but just to cool off just a bit. Also, when you set it up on the cooling rack, you're going to allow all that excess oil that's in the shrimp to pretty much drain off, which is going to be perfect because it would allow the sauce to stick to the shrimp even better. Hey! Be honest, guys. You gotta, let's be honest. I gotta admire this right now, and I know you're admiring it too, because these shrimp right here, they look absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. It is time for us to have some fun, guys, and we are gonna take our shrimp, perfectly fried shrimp, I might add, and we're gonna take it and dip it in our bang bang sauce, just like that. Make sure it's coated perfectly. And we're gonna take it and we're gonna place it right there, just like that. What I like about our shrimp is the fact that it's gonna be nice and crispy on the outside, but it's gonna be nice and tender on the inside. Not to mention this complimentary sauce. OMG. To die for. Absolutely delicious. See whether or not if you need to add some more sweet chili, depending on your preference. To the final piece, make sure I dip this one really good in the sauce. There you go, baby. Just like that. Now, I know you guys notice all of the sauce is dripping off, but yet you still have a good amount that's literally stuck to the shrimp. The color of the shrimp, absolutely amazing. You just have all of the details just peeking through. You can see that chili sauce right there peeking through, the little peppers in the red chili sauce, not to mention the sweet chili sauce and everything. These shrimps are perfect. And to make it even better, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna add a little bit of parsley, just like that. Parsley rain, honey. Yes. Woo! Gorgeous. Listen, my mouth is watering. I am ready to literally taste it and enjoy this bang bang shrimp. So, of course, full recipe details, guys, cookingwithtammy.recipes, and I'm gonna leave all recipe details in the description bar below. And until next time, guys, make this bang bang shrimp. Hit me up in the comment section and let me know how much it was banging, and I will catch you guys in another video. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.